Now I will show you how to replace the transformer in a stabilizer. Okay, for removing the transformer, first you need to desolder all the wires. So how to desolder? So I will show you the process. So what are the things required for soldering and desoldering? The first and the foremost is the soldering iron. So this soldering iron should have proper tip. So the tip is very important, and there should not be any oxidized coating or so. So it has to be tinned properly. Second is the sponge with water. So to clean the soldering iron. Next is flux. Flux or soldering paste. This is to have a clean and perfect soldering. Solder wire. This solder wire is a 60-40 combination, that is 60% tin, 40% lead. So in most of the lead, inside the lead solder wire, there will be a flux inside. It will come along with the flux. In some lead tin combination, there won't be any flux. At that time, you need to use flux separately. This is pincher or tweezer to hold the wires and components. A small knife is required to scrape it or to remove any hard particles and all. A brush is required to clean the PCB. So this brush bristles should be very soft. And for cleaning we require IPA solution, isopropyl alcohol solution. So this is the best solution for cleaning the PCBs. Now I will show you how to desolder the terminals of transformer. First thing is you have to remove the sleeves. So once the sleeves are removed, now I am going to desolder with the help of soldering iron. So the soldering iron should be tinned properly. Use a pincher or tweezer. Hold the wire properly. Then weld the lead and remove it. So like that, all the wires need to be removed. Hold the wire with full grip till the lead melts completely. Then you pull it. Now we have desoldered all the wires. So once the wires are desoldered, turn the stabilizer. Remove all the 4 screws. Now, after desoldering it, I have removed the transformer and now I am going to put new transformer. Replace it with the new transformer. So once the transformer is fixed, to put the screws. Once the transformer is fixed, now I am going to connect the wires actually. That is, I am going to solder all the wires. After fixing the transformer, apply flux on the terminals. And also the flexible wire. So once this is done, now apply lead on the terminals. For tinning purpose. Then hold the wire with the pincher, keep it on the terminals, take some lead, then solder it. So remove the pincher only after the lead is dry, like that. So like this, solder all these wires and complete it. So after completing it, put the sleeves. And do proper wiring. Okay. So the wiring should be neat and clean. That's it. So the transformer replacement of transformer is completed.